Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get new piece bundles on Roblox. First of all, go to in marketplace. Once you in the marketplace, now you have to click on recently created. Now you have to click on add. Now you have to set the maximum 0 so you will get all the free recent items that has been created. Now we'll get these hand bundles. My one of the favorite is this X ad. You can then get this item before it go off sale. So make sure to get as soon as possible. Once you get it, let me show you how it looks. Just go to an avatar, go to head and body, go to style, and click on or tap on if you're on the phone. And as you can see, it looks like this, and it also gives you a headless look, like there is no head under the X cap. Fine. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.